Hello, my name is Ali. Thank you so much for watching HHHI Official, where we believe in healthy, happy, humble, and inspiring. We are bringing you latest videos, different videos about exercise, fitness, health, and emotional health, where happiness is your everyday thing. So right now I'm going to share an exercise with you, and this will be done on inversion table. Inversion table is the one that you lay down, you stick your feet down here, and then you go lean backwards. Oh, one word of wisdom that I can share with you is, if you have any high blood pressure or maybe glaucoma, then you should not consider this exercise, because when you are doing inversion table, all the blood rushes towards your head, and that can cause you more complications. And also consider talking to the doctor before you adapt any exercise, okay? That's very important. So now we're going to start, and I'm going to get on this one. I'm going to show you how it's done and what it does to your body. It's really good for your body, and it also readjusts your joints, your hips, your back, your knees, your ankles, arms, and everything. What you do is, when you lay down on that one, loosen up a little bit so your body can just readjust itself. So let's go start it. And as you see, I got this already adjusted, okay? Even though you can adjust it right here. It's got the little knob right here that you can pull, and this knob will help you. But in my case, it's all adjusted. My feet are in the right position. And what you do is, none of this exercise, you need to do it abruptly. You do not need to do it, okay? Do it peacefully, nicely, and love yourself, okay? And slowly lay down, go back, and stick your arm back, one of them, and then you can take the other one back here and go as far as you can, okay? Balance yourself, loosen your back body up, let your body work the wonder. Make sure you breathe right. Breathing is very important. It's actually the most important thing that you can do. Breathe. And let it be peaceful for you. Let it work for you. Let all the stress go. Allow your body to loosen up and release all the stress. Because life is hard. We all go through a lot of stress. Jobs, works, relationships, everything causes you stress. Driving on the road causes you stress. All these things, let all the anger go. Let all the anxiety go. Let all the stress go. Let all the frustration go. Let your body heal. Your body needs your help. And keep watching our videos, and little by little we will be bringing you some very essential exercises.
So how long do you do this inversion for? How many minutes?
This one depends how long you can do it, you know. Initially I will recommend do it for 1 minute.
Okay, so it's already been more than a minute. Do you want to continue, or should we stop?
Yeah, I will do at least 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then I will come up, and coming up also is a process, okay? Everything is a systematic path, okay? Because if you don't follow the system, you can cause your body injuries. And the goal over here is not injuries. The goal over here is healing. We all should be healing and feeling good and living a great emotional life. and that emotional life that leaks into your financial life, relationships, marriages, jobs, businesses, all that. As humans, we have this in common. It does not matter how much money you have, what is your social economic status, it does not matter. As a human, we are all equal and we all go through a lot of stress on a daily basis.
Okay, so your 2 minutes are up already.
Okay, so last thought I will share that with you is make time before you have to make, okay? You don't have to get too sick where your doctor tells you to, you need to get doing some exercises. Just make a daily habit. Make some healthy changes in your life where you can make things better for yourself. So now I'm gonna come back up, okay? So you come back up slowly. You put your hand on one side, your other hand on the other side. Why you do it slowly? Because your body has developed a new pattern and you just don't want to disrupt it by abrupt actions. So just keep coming down and breathe. Breathe. And then come down all the way down, and then slowly lift your neck up as far as you can go, okay? Slowly. And you will see the body's kind of readjusting itself and stuff like that. Now it's time to lift up the back a little bit, like your shoulder area. And just slowly come down. Keep your hands on the rails. And you come down. And you do the opposite of what you just did. And the opposite is this. Go as far as you can. And then slowly let your hands go. Take your foot out. And take the second one out. And then you walk out to the freedom. Thank you so much for watching HHI Official. This channel is dedicated for your health, exercises, and later on we're going to be sharing a lot of new recipes that's going to be good for you, a lot of protein shakes and stuff like that. But we make these shakes and smoothies ourselves. We do not believe in the bottles, okay? So till next time, you keep exercising, keep making things better for you, and this is where it makes the difference. Healthy, happy, humble, and inspiring.
Been a long time without you. Been a long time without love. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not